Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm excited to show you how I created this awesome kinetic type animation in After Effects. The concept is pretty straightforward. We have a letter scaling up in our composition, but the real magic happens when the letter reaches the edge of the comp and starts moving inward, creating a fascinating distortion effect. So let's jump right in. First, grab the text tool, pick a letter and type it out. Choose your favorite font and adjust the size to your liking. The best part about this technique is that it's non-destructive, so you can easily switch up the letter or font whenever you want. Alright, with your text layer selected, head over to Effects, Generate Radio Waves. Now, in the effect settings, let's start by cranking up the render quality to 16. Change the wave type from polygon to image contours, and for the source layer, make sure it's set to your text layer. Next, let's tweak the wave motion settings. Lower the frequency to 0, set the lifespan to 9.5 and enable the reflection checkbox. For the stroke settings, change the color to white. Let's give it a quick preview. Looking good already. But we're not done yet. With the text layer still selected, go back to Effects, Time and apply the echo effect. In the echo settings, increase the number of echoes to 12 and double the echo time value. And reduce the decay to 0.8. Now, give it one more preview. And there you have it. We've created this really cool dynamic kinetic type effect. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, a great life, and I will see you in the next one. Cheers.